So you can see all of the angle here. So I'm gonna tape this round ankle and wipe it out real quick. So let me do that. If you remember, I mudded this up with Durabond with the rubber knife, and now I'm gonna tape it, and I'm gonna wipe it out with the rubber knife. And I just want to say, if you're doing this, if you're going to do this and round this out, it's really important that you do everything with the same knife, so, or the same tool. So if you're using a cup or something, use the same cup. Just keep it around. And but I'm just going to wipe this out real quick and show you how easy this is. And this will keep it nice and straight too, because this is such a fine round thing. So I used to do all of these with this too, but I don't anymore because the level line and straight flex and all that other stuff. So I don't have to do that anymore. But got a little wrinkle in here I'm trying to get out. There, it's out. Now I'll just take it, clean off the edges. And I'll end up coating this 2 more times. With copy. Alright, there you have it. Simple, easy. And this is going to be perfectly straight. I mean, if you came here and looked at this, this is really, really straight. It'll be nice and straight. You don't have to, actually it's, looking at it, it's not very straight. But it's as straight as it's gonna get. This isn't straight, but we'll get it done. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.